Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I will show you how to integrate your Google Drive and your OneDrive within your Samsung My Files app. First of all, we need to go to our File app. This is the Samsung My Files app and it is only available for Samsung phones. After that, click on the three dot icons and go to Settings. Here you can see in the cloud accounts we got two options, OneDrive and Google Drive. So for OneDrive, click on OneDrive and this will take you to the sign in page. This will depend on your default browser, so sign in with your Microsoft account, which I will not show you right now, so let's skip this process. Well, after you have done that, simply hit accept and now you are logged in with Microsoft account on the Samsung My Files app. So it won't open in the recent apps, so let's go to your settings. Now let's click on OneDrive once again, and now you can see it is now signed in. It is showing me the username, so clicking on Google Drive automatically logs in if you have already logged in. So now we have both the storages complete. If that doesn't show up, you can customize My Files Home, and here you will see there will be options for Google Drive and OneDrive. Okay, now it looks like, and if those options are not available, which means your both drives are now signed in. After that, let's open up OneDrive. It will show you the option if it is syncing or not. Now you can see I have two folders and two files on my OneDrive, so let's try and copy these files. Let me just try it again. Okay, now I am trying to log in with my Google account. Okay, so we need to allow it. Looks like it is now signed in. Yep, now I can see all my files on my OneDrive and Google Drive as well. If you want to manage your Google Drive files, you can do it right from here. For example, I'm going to create a folder. This is the, actually these are my iPhone's pictures, so I'm gonna put the folder name just like this. Here we go. Okay, now we have folder created. Now we can move these files right here. This takes time, depends on the speed of your internet connection, but it works like a charm. Now you can see I can manage files on my Google Drive as well. So let's try and copy some files from my internal storage to my cloud storage. So I don't think I can copy these files. These documents are not being copied. So let's try something else. Let's go to documents, and there's nothing here. What should I try? I don't know. Some files are maybe too big for this. Let's try this small file. So I'm gonna copy this folder in this OneDrive account and let's see if it copies or not. I am actually having a bit trouble with OneDrive. I don't know why, because I think some of the servers might be down. Well, this is definitely on Samsung and Microsoft's fault, none of your problem. Okay, let's see if we can copy stuff from OneDrive to my internal storage. Okay, I'm gonna copy these files. Okay, so I am able to download files from OneDrive, but I am not able to upload to OneDrive. I don't know what is this, but this can be resolved if you update your My Files app and have the latest software. I actually have a very old device. Let's try and copy files from Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive is working perfectly. I can easily download files, but my internet is slow today. I don't know why this is it. I'm having trouble speaking as well. Okay, I can download files, and let's see if I can upload files to Google Drive, if that is not a problem. Let's try this small files. I'm gonna try and upload it to OneDrive. Let's see if these work or not. Okay, so these two are copying. Let's see if this becomes successful or it's just a waste of time. Nope, nothing here. Let's check the notification panel and see what's going on. So I am analyzing the storage, but this is not working at all. Oh, looks like OneDrive is out of sync. I can download from OneDrive, but I don't think I can upload to OneDrive. Maybe your phone might be able to do it. My phone's not doing it right now. I might try and sign out and sign again later. Let's see if I can upload files to Google Drive. Yep, uploading to Google Drive is working fine. It is not giving me any problem, but OneDrive is just can't seem to upload stuff. Let's try this picture at once if it uploads or not. Damn it, Microsoft, what is wrong with you? Okay, looks like this is not going to work. Let's check out the notification panel, and it says could not copy files. Damn it. I think I can fix this issue by syncing OneDrive again and again. You can also try and log out and then log in with Microsoft account if that fixes the issue or not. Let's try and upload this picture to OneDrive now. I am trying to sync this again and again, but this is not working for me. Your story might be different, so you can try it for yourself. This is easy for people who are doing the cloud stuff often, uploading and downloading files from the cloud, especially Google Drive or Microsoft's OneDrive. And owning a Samsung phone is just very nice. Okay, so this seems not to be working. I think I should give up. Yep, this does not work. I can't upload files to OneDrive, but I can download from OneDrive, and also I can upload and download from Google Drive. Google Drive is working fine without causing me any problems. After, if you do not want to use this, you can simply sign out from stuff, and if you want to remove this from your home page, simply go to my customize my files home and uncheck those options. And now if you want to do it again, simply go and sign in again. Google Drive is already signed in, that is why it is seamless. Let's remove that from there. Now I can only manage local files. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.